Welcome to Real Estate Market Storytellers. I'm your host, David Stark. One challenge in telling the real estate story is knowing your audience. Do they want an epic novel or a short story? In this episode, I'll show you how to find, in one place, resources to help you tell your real estate story, no matter how long it needs to be or how much time you have to prepare. Let's start by opening the Bay East website at www.bayeast.org. Scroll down to the Housing Statistics button and give it a click. On this page, you'll find all kinds of ways to tell your story. Need a one-page script for your story that's loaded with information? The monthly Bay East housing market reports are perfect. Use the map on the left of the screen to choose your community. The East Bay Real Estate Weather Report video can tell your story in 4 minutes or less. And by clicking on the share button, you can send the video to your clients or embed the link in your marketing materials. Need a storyteller at your office meeting? Bay East offers live real estate market presentations. Click on this link to schedule a presentation. RPR, the Realtor Property Resource Alameda and Contra Costa Report, is updated monthly and offers detailed market information on a regional basis. Need to tell your story on the go? We can help with that. The RPR mobile application provides listing information for iPhones and Android devices. Brokers. The RPR Broker Toolset has specialized resources to help with your storytelling needs. When you're ready to really explore new characters and exciting plot lines, crack open the C.A.R. Market Intelligence resources. The C.A.R. Market Update is a monthly report on market information at the county level. Got a minute? You need the Market Minute, which is heavy on narrative. The Market Snapshot is perfect for sharing with clients. The Housing Matters podcast and housing market webinars share stories from the cutting edge of real estate. You can have these resources and more delivered right to your email inbox by subscribing to C.A.R. reports, blogs, and podcasts. Finally, the NAR Housing Minute is a quick, national perspective perfect for when your real estate story needs the big picture. So many stories, all in one place. Where do you start? Again, it's www.bayeast.org. Then scroll down to the Housing Statistics button. As always, if you'd like help telling your real estate story, contact me at davids@bayeast.org. Thank you for joining us for this episode of Real Estate Market Storytelling.